Good afternoon, y'all. Hope y'all are doing okay. Sorry this is coming a little late. Had a lot of internet problems this morning. Um, Anyways, so let's get right to it. First off, I appreciate the people that sent in a picture yesterday of where they ran. I meant to post that on Instagram last night, but I got busy. So there's still a lot of people that haven't posted anything or responded to anything on Schoology. I know it's a weird time, but if y'all will start getting involved, then you'll start to realize that it sure does make the days a lot better when you actually have stuff to do instead of, sleep until 11 and eating breakfast at 12, and that can get in your head pretty bad. So I appreciate those that have been getting involved and sending me stuff. I've tried to stay busy. Doing this, and I've tried helping other people get things out, so I'm doing the best I can to stay busy, but I am seriously ready to be at school, that's for sure. Alright, so here you go. Workout for 7th and 8th grade athletics. If you have weights available, this is just the typical Thursday weight room workout, okay? Just think about the racks. The racks on the left are lunges and upright rows. Remember, upright rows, your hands are like this. They're close together. Okay, you pull it up to your chin like that. This is all 3 sets of 6. Then in the middle where the benches are, you got shoulder complex, right? You got forward, side, and then you got flies. Then the clean complex is shoulder shrugs. You do upright rows again, and then the actual cleans. And then on the right racks is incline bench and hammers. And then for rope, you've got 50 on both feet, 50 on the left, 50 on the right, and 50 running. If you don't have a rope, that's fine. Just substitute pogos in for all that, okay? But for the running, you would do high knees, not just, tapping your feet real quick. Do high knees, 50. And then abs is the same. I added on these planks. If you don't have like a weighted ball or something, you could, I don't know, you could put a basketball down there, I guess. That doesn't weigh very much. Anything that's kind of soft, but has, 8 to 12 pounds of weight down there on your ankles would be good. And then planks. For pre-athletics and non-weights, this is all 3 sets of 6. Except for a couple things. So you're going to do the lunge circuit like you did on Monday, I think. I've got a video of that again. You're going to do box jumps, but you're not going to do 6 of them. You're going to do 3 sets of 10. You're going to do shoulder complex. Pre-athletics for the most part, y'all don't know what that is. There will be a video coming up. It's real simple. Okay. Shoulder complex, and then which you do 3 sets of 6, but air squats you do 3 sets of 10. Okay, these are the only 2 things, box jump and air squats, that you do 10 of. Then you're going to do decline push-ups. This is to get kind of the similar workout as incline bench. It works your shoulders out more. And you're going to do hammers, which I've been trying to explain to y'all that's tricep extensions. Then rope is the same thing as athletics, and abs is the same thing as athletics. PE, you need to be outside for 30 minutes today. It's a pretty nice day. You need to go for a walk, put some headphones in, go for a jog, ride your bike, ride your skateboard, play some basketball, go outside, chase the dog around. I like doing that. Or go outside and do some yard work. Just put some headphones on, get in your own little world, and it's pretty nice. All right, let's see here. Let me show you some videos of all this stuff. Right there. There we go. Come on, baby. All right. Let me move that over. There we go. All right. First thing. Let's see here. What did I say? Lunge circuit. Lunge circuit. Remember, you do 6 forward on the left, 6 forward on the right, then 6 backwards on the left, 6 backwards on the right, or back lunges on the right. Then you do side lunges, 6 to the left, and side lunges, 6 to the right. Just get your loving dog out of the way first. I'm not very good at side lunges. It hurts my hips and my back. I'm an old man, so there you go. Next is box jumps. So this is just a bench on my old busted deck. That's my dog's booty. Sorry about that. This bench isn't really tall enough to do box jumps on. If yours isn't tall enough, just make sure that you jump higher. Okay, you really got to explode to get something out of it. Also, once you hit the box, make sure that you stand all the way up. This is shoulder complex right here. So I just grabbed two rocks that are about the same weight. And you go forward 6, standing straight up, forward 6. Then you go to the side 6. Then you're going to bend at the waist and do what's called flies. Right there, bend at the waist. And just like your arms or wings, you're going to do 6. That's 3 sets of 6. Then we should have decline push-ups. This is a decline push-up right here. Try to get your chest to the bottom. Put your feet up on something. That's going to help work out your shoulders, just like if you were doing incline bench. Okay. Then tricep extensions, also known as hammers. Grab a bigger rock. Okay, like that one. It looks like it weighs a lot, but it's not. It's probably 10 pounds. It's not very much. Make sure that you keep those elbows tucked in on your hammers and tricep extensions. Then you've got rope or pogos, which I did not do. That's simple. And then here is abs. They're a little out of order. So first you have crunches. This is my son. Do 25 of those. I think that's what I wrote down, 25. Then you have 50 sole touches. Get your feet closer together than he has them. Then you have obliques, which are also known as Russian twists. If you don't have a ball, you can hit your hands on the ground. After Russian twists or obliques is 6 inches with a ball or something weighted. Anything that weighs about 10 pounds, that's only 8, and that's hard as well. He's honestly getting a little high up there, but that's alright. Then you have weighted sit-ups. Hold that ball and go up with it. This one right here, he doesn't go up, but the next one he will. And get up there. There you go. And then you're going to do 90 seconds of plank. You've got 30 seconds just straight up forward plank. Then you'll do 30 seconds on your right side, and then 30 seconds on your left side. And that takes care of your workout. You might want to go for a jog or something after that just to loosen yourself up, or a bike ride. Either way, get outside. Have a good day. No submission today. I trust that y'all are going to do it. Have a good Thursday.